distance. You know what I'll say from the very first intent. You love me into existence. Oh God, you search me. Oh God, you know me inside and out. You knew me from my conception. You know each bone that is inside my body. You deserve my adoration. Oh God, you search me. Oh God, you know me. Where can I flee from your presence? Where can I go from your spirit? If I reach the horizon, it won't be surprising. You'd find me